Hello everyone and welcome to this Java tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to use variables in Java. I will be using Dr. Java to code and the link to the download is in the description below. Let's begin by making a class. For more details on how to make a class, you can view my previous video. To make a class, we write public class and the name of your class. I will be naming this class using variables. Put open curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Now we need to declare a main method. To do that, write public static void main parentheses string square brackets args bracket close curly bracket and curly bracket. There are many different types of variables in Java, and each of them stores a different type of value. To declare a variable, you need to say the data type and the name of the variable. So let's say you want to declare an integer. We write the keyword int and name the variable. So let's say num1, and then you put a semicolon. By writing the statement here, we have created a container that can store one value, one integer value for this variable num1. Right now, this does not have any value assigned to it. There are two ways you can use to assign values to variables. The first way is by putting an equal sign in front of the declaration statement and assigning the value. So let's say 5. To show you guys the second way, I will create a new integer. So int, the type of the variable name num2, semicolon. For the second way, you go to the next line, you write the variable name num2 and then assign the value. So let's say 6 and semicolon. Hit the compile button and save the program and then try clicking run. You will have no output because there is no print statement. So let's add a print statement so we can use these variables. To make a print statement, write system with a capital S, system dot out dot print parentheses quotations. Let's say I am in grade close parentheses. To use the variable, use a plus sign, plus num1. Close your parentheses and put a semicolon. Hit the compile button and run again. You can see that it prints the statement. But there is one problem. There is no space between the grade and the 5. To fix this problem, we go to our print statement and add a space after grade. Hit compile again and run. You can see it prints the variable 5, the value of num1, and the words you wanted. You can also create variables that use the values of these variables. So for example, int num3 equals num1 plus num2, semicolon. Change this to num3 and compile your program and run again. You can see it prints 11, which is 5 plus 6, the value of num1 plus num2. You can change this operator to anything: multiplication, addition, subtraction, or modulus division. Other variable types include double, which means that your value includes decimals. Let's say double tax equals 6.5, semicolon. Other variable types include boolean, which stores a true or false value. So let's say boolean received scholarship. Let's assign this the value of true, semicolon. Next we have string. String includes words, sentences, etc. Let's say string sentence equals, to assign a value to this, you need to use double quotations. Double quotations, did you receive the scholarship? Question mark, close quotations, and semicolon. The last variable type I will be talking about is character. So the data type is char. This variable type stores one character. So let's say multiple choice equals, To assign a value to this, you need to use a single quotation. So let's say A, and then put a semicolon. Now I will show you how to use these variables in print statements. Let's begin by making a print statement for the double variable. Write system.out.print parentheses quotations tax paid colon space closed quotations plus tax closed parentheses semicolon. Notice that we're using the same format as we did in the previous print statement. Hit compile and run. You can see that the value of tax is showing here as expected. The exact same format can be used for any of these variables. Now you can clean your code up a bit by adding some spaces. Another way you can declare variables of the same data type is by writing the data type and putting all the numbers beside each other. So num4 and separate them by using a comma, num5 semicolon at the end. I also want to mention that you can change the value of a variable as you go along the program. So here I can put tax equals 7.6 semicolon. And now when you hit compile and run, you can see that the second value is used. If you want to declare variables that cannot change their value as you go along the program, then you need to write the keyword final. By doing this, you cannot change the value of tax again in the program. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and help me reach 100 subscribers on this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button as I want to reach 100 likes.